Guys, hello from Slovenia again. Uh, I will play with my satin enamel today again, and with my paper towel I will put it here, so no, not now, that you will see how much water just a second, I have allergy to cat's hair, but I just love cats, so I must live with it. So I will use just purple and of course green for our leaves, and a little bit of gold to the center, and maybe I will add just a tiny dot of my, just like this. And I will try to do a little different pattern, because I hope that I can get some nice effects with it. So I will start with adding my first dots here. Just a second, I just do 3, so I will try to do it like this. And this is my enamel. I will use just enamel white today. And my purple, and nothing else. And our green, of course, as I said. A little more purple, I think. So when you add your dots more to the center, your petals get their shape a little bit. Because paint flows to the center and give you this shape of petals. I hope that I will not have too much paint and too much white. And now I will do this. Try to get some different effect. And we will see if we will get it or not. I just want soft purple flower, purplish, with lots of white. And I will do just one layer again. This time I will add a little more of this purple to have maybe darker here in the middle. And I think that I will add a little more purple on the last dot of our first petals. I should add a little more white because I didn't add a lot of white in the middle because of paint. We push paint in the middle with our paper towel. So and now our green, I will just do some stripes and some dots. And my turquoise green. Oops. Maybe a little more of this phtalocyan green. And now I will grab my paper towel and I will just try to show you. Oops, this isn't good because I have my yellow paint, so I must grab another one. Sorry, I forget that I cut my paper towels to the square shape because I think that it's easy to lift up. So I will just, I don't know how can I show you this. Maybe you just listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, it's not dumped like full, but just lightly. And I will to layer this, not layer. So I will go to the center first, from the sides to the center, because I want these petals to go to the center a little bit, to move to the center, paint, not petals. I hope that I move it to the center. I hope that I didn't have my head away again. I just forget, guys. Oh, just one thing, on the April 1st, you know, I announced that I will do a giveaway. I will do a video on the April 1st. I know it's a Fool's Day, but I'm a little foolish too, so maybe it's just the right date for this. So I will write rules in the description these days, so you will all know how you can participate to my giveaway. It will be worldwide. Somebody asked me that. You are all my followers or subscribers, and you are all the same, so I will not make a difference between countries where you live, or I will just shut up a little bit now. I didn't pull it right to the middle, so I just have to strange. You see, we didn't get this it is different, but I don't know what is happening here. I will torch a little bit. Oops. It's kind of interesting effect, but I maybe I just didn't pull it right up, so it has some not round shape, but I kind of like it, and I will leave it just like this. I will take you for a close-up, and I will definitely try again, and maybe I will do 2 colors to get this effect. Just a second that I take you down. So here it is. It's nice, but I was going more for this 3D effect. So I love this how this green react with enamel, you see. I like the flower too, but I will definitely do it again with enamel, but maybe I will layer my paints slightly different. You see this effects. It has a little more, I don't know, ethereal look, or how can I say that, but I like it. So this was it. This was short. Yay! And subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and see you on the next one. Bye.